The dingo looks like a wild dog, but don't be fooled. It's more cunning, more ancient, and completely untamed. Dingoes arrived in Australia over 4,000 years ago, making them one of the oldest canine species alive. They don't bark, they howl like wolves. Fast, silent, and smart enough to open gates and outwit traps, they hunt in packs and even take down kangaroos. But the dingo's biggest battle? Humans. Farmers see them as pests, yet many Indigenous Australians consider them spiritual guardians. Dog, wolf, or something in between. The dingo walks a line between wild and legend.